do you remember this monkey? He was trying to get right up my ass and push me along even though I was going like the maximum you can go on that road. You remember him? Yes, I do, you knobhead.
Right, Mummy's broke it in half so it will cool down quicker, okay? So there are like two.
Don't drive towards me, you knobhead. I don't like Bristol buses, Alexi.
Try being
I
on
hate
them.
them. I actually hate them today. I properly hate them.
Try being on them.
They're even worse when you're on them, are they?
Crap.
Oh! Bunch of fucking idiots. Well, do you want to get any fucking closer? Do you want to give me some kisses? I'll kiss you back if you want, you dirty bitch.